Can this red light therapy panel really help your skin and recovery? This is a simple and fast review of the YAMURI 110 watt red light therapy panel lamp. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we open the box here, may get out of frame a little bit here just because it's a big box. Comes with a big user manual, plenty of information, I'm sure, in here about how to utilize this. On the left hand side, well, let's get this thing out first. Show you up close. You know what, I'm going to just pull this off to the side first and continue to show you what's in the box. You'll have, get rid of the box. It takes up a lot of space. So in here we'll have kind of a charging kit, glasses for protection, and then you'll have a couple pieces here for kind of mounting stuff, a clamp, and some hanging stuff. We'll kind of show you how this thing kind of operates in hanging mode. But let's first of all kind of walk you through this. As you can see, lots of little lights here. Nice little handle. And I think this, yeah, on the top here, these little pieces kind of screw right in. But if you're not going to hang it, you won't need those. They're on both sides, so if you're not going to hang it, you can just keep those rubberized pieces on. As you can tell, it's standing up all by itself, and that's because we have feet here, 4 feet at the bottom. We also have kind of like a picture frame type of capability where it can lean, which is really, really nice. Great ergonomic handle. We'll have our power button, and then of course we'll need our switch to plug it in. So we'll go ahead and plug this in here in just a second, so that you can see it. I do have a piece here, so let's go ahead and undo this, get it all plugged in for you. So here we go, get it plugged in and turned on. So not sure if you can see it, but there's pretty dramatic amount of red light coming out. Again, this is where those glasses come into play. You can kind of immediately feel it. It's not hot, but you can feel the difference of the red light versus no red light. So we'll go ahead and leave this off for a second and just kind of show you. You can, if you need to, put it on its side. I wouldn't recommend it just because that's kind of where it's going to vent out some of its temperatures. But I do want to show you this side for a reason. As we do this, you'll kind of see your clock. You'll have some settings buttons, so we can kind of change our timer. We can change the mode that we're in. Red light percentages. And then we can change whether we want to have it pulsing or not. As you can probably see, the light pulsing very fast. This is almost so fast that you probably can't even see it. So I don't know if the camera picks this up or not, but you can't really see it visually here. But you can start to see it. I'm sure you're seeing it on the camera at about 50, but visually you'll see it at the lower levels of the strobe. So apologize if that gives you a headache. But I just wanted to show you kind of some of the options here. And it shows you where all your settings are. So red, we're set at red. We'll get that back up to 100. There we go. And again, we have our red NIR and combo, or we can just do none. But then when we get back to the bottom here, we have our timer running. It's set for 20 minutes, and everything is visible. So really, really nice there. Another fan option is in the back. So a lot of different ways to kind of get this going. All right, so typical setup for someone that wants to work out would be to do something like this, where I'll do kind of push-ups and work out on a bench with this kind of just moving the light into the room. Now, please understand that if you are going to be putting your face up close to it, you should be wearing your green glasses that will help to minimize the images. But understand that in high frequency pulse mode, the infrared light will actually penetrate the skin more effectively. So I'm not going to do it right now, but I do want you to understand that you can actually get the pulsing going for better penetration for the skin. But this is really nice to kind of just not be up close necessarily, because it's bright and it changes the room. It's an orange room that turns red, quite frankly, with this. So you can minimize the levels, which is really great, but you can also kind of keep it at a distance to help make sure that you're getting your full body during a workout and stuff like that. So just wanted to share kind of the setup I have. I'm not going to actually work out in front of you, but just showing you what I can do, or what we do here, and what the options are. And again, you can set this as a timer or just turn it on, whatever you want to do. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.